and end with a lot of collisions and destruction.
This is going to take billions of years, but over the lifetime of the solar system, these are eventualities that could come to pass.
But one way or another, our solar system is doomed. Like all solar systems, the end will come when the star at the center dies. In 5 billion years, our own star will run out of fuel and become a red giant. It'll heat up, swell, and engulf the inner planets. The Earth's surface will be scorched. The seas will evaporate, and the land will melt.
The sun will become about as big as where the Earth's orbit is. So a likely scenario for the end of the world is that we're going to be inside the sun for a while.
The Earth's going to get swallowed right up into the sun, and it's going to be toast. Vapor, literally.
After a while, the red giant will fall apart too, leaving behind a tiny corpse of a star called a white dwarf.
It'll be about the size of the Earth, and it will cool off over many millions or billions of years. That will be the real end of our solar system.
From the Earth, this dead, rocky planet that used to harbor an enormously vibrant civilization, we will look out, and there will be this fairly faint dot, which is our sun, now a white dwarf, a dying, almost dead star.
The remains of the inner planets will continue to orbit the white dwarf. But the giant outer planets will live on, untouched.
They will have warmed up during the red giant phase of the sun, but once the sun is a white dwarf, those giant planets will survive just as well, holding on to their hydrogen and helium, albeit colder than they used to be, because that white dwarf will no longer be warming them up.
Even though this is 5 billion years into the future for our solar system, it may already have happened to many other systems throughout the universe. Our solar system emerged from chaos to eventually support life. We were fortunate. We've just the right amount of planets in the right place, at the right distance from each other, all orbiting the right type of star. But it could have been a very different story.
There are so many things that are fortunate about our solar system, starting with the sun.